Hello, I am back again, and as you can see behind me, we have a ton of different camper vans. If you want to see inside any of them, please let me know. It is camper season, so I am more than happy to show you. But today, I am showing you inside a brand new WILDAX TRITON. Now, some of you may not have seen this before. Brilliant. I can show you even more then. Come on, we'll start in. So you will have noticed straight away, the pop top is actually going to the rear of the vehicle, and there is a really good reason for that. First of all, here is your lounge, and this also makes up your first and second berth. In the front then you have your main cab area. You do have your multifunctioning steering wheel. This is on a Ford chassis. This is a manual, but we also have automatic options, and you'll see that lovely large dash, and that's a multifunctioning touch screen along with your air conditioning as well. So now behind me you will see off to the side is your kitchen area. So standard sink and 2 gas hob just there. You have a ton of storage below that then, all your different compartments for your spices, your cutlery, crockery. You do have plug-in points there as well. And into the rear is your bathroom. Now, before we move to the bathroom, this is your fridge just here. And you have a little freezer compartment there as well. You will see that, yes, the ladder is here. Now that ladder is for your top bunk. For travel purposes, it stays here. It's in a safe environment. So I'm just going to move this out of the way. And here is your rear bathroom and shower. Full bathroom, full toilet, fixed toilet, not a portable porta potty. You do have your storage for your bathroom area, so you can separate the living and the bathroom area. And with that shower curtain, it really helps separate them into 2 different rooms. Lovely shower here. And onto your top bunk, and here is your pop-up bed. So this is your 3rd and 4th berth. As you can see, it is nice and roomy in here, and that does unzip, so you can have it as an open roof to really get some airflow in as well. And there we have it. Look at that lovely open view, lovely breeze coming in, and you can just lie up here, read a little book during the summer. Lovely. Now this does unzip the whole way. I've more to show you. Now, a great thing about this WILDAX TRITON, you do have blackout blinds, no messing about with any covers. You do have your Remus blinds just like that on the front as well, so nighttime, good to go. Another great thing is you do have an open window in the passenger side, in the back, and a lot of campers don't come with that as well. This can open all the way up on both sides, but I've one better than that. Not only does the window open, but both doors slide open as well, and that is a real plus. But how do I get in? Well, it's simple. You just remove your pillows, unlock both sides, drop this back down, and it goes. And you can move it to the other side. It's on a free system, moves with ease, and inside you can come. The other thing is, this is where your gas cylinder is located. Safe and secure in a nice container, a nice home, really. You don't need to have this set up as a second lounge area if you don't want to. You know, perhaps you like more storage and that suits your lifestyle more. Perfect, another bench. The other great thing is, you do have your storage here, but you can also access it from in here as well. And that is it for this video. Now, there is a reverse camera, there is a solar panel, there is so much more within this nice compact van. And if there's anything else you'd like to know or any other vehicles you'd like to see inside, please do not hesitate to get in touch. You can contact me directly, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can drop a message and I'll pick them up too. Or you can give me a call on 028 92 693 999. And if you want your own personal tour, pop in and ask to see me. See you in the next video.